Hello, welcome to the ceiling fan world. And what we have here is a Hampton Bay Grayton 2 ceiling fan in 42 inch. And I can see the mounting plate. Look closer so you can look at it. That's pretty much the same. And you see here that the light globe is not original. There's someone that had a globe to it, either that had an original, might have broke it accidentally, or didn't came with one. We're gonna demonstrate it for you. Start with the low speed. Let's do a little zoom in. And now, let's go for a medium. You see, the light does work. I'll show you when I turn it off. Well, can't basically tell because when it was brand new, it came from Home Depot since the early 2000s. Yeah, let's go for the high speed. And it's a little bit of amount of air, but it should be about twice as how cool it could be. Let's show you with the light on while it's on a high. Alright, let's shut it off. And if you click the like button and click subscribe to my channel, there's lots more to come. And I hope you all have a good day. Bye bye.